Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bobbi Lace. Welcome. I do makeup and sometimes I do a little bit of lifestyle videos, but today I did a makeup video. So if you're ready to see how I got this burgundy, like vampy, I don't even know what to call it, look, then keep watching. Hey everybody, so I haven't used these NYX Vivid Brights in a long time. One might even say that I needed to throw them away a while ago, but I didn't. So I'm using the NYX Vivid Bright in, it's kind of like an eyeshadow, like a MAC paint pot or something like that, but like NYX made it, and they got it in all kinds of like cute colors, right? So I wanted like the red to be really red, and I wanted everything to like pop. So that's what these are really good for. So you just saw me like basically map out with the paint pot like where I want the shape to be, and then I go from there. I hop into eyeshadow. I'm using the Jeffree Star and Morphe collab again. And I'm pretty sure you guys are like, Bobbi, stop. Quit using this. But I can't. It's good. It's a good palette. It's like drugstore. It was reasonably priced. You know what I'm saying? And I love like all the shades. I can't. And plus I love Jeffree Star. Okay? He's just like everything I wish I could be. Anyways, but that was shade Calabasas, which if you don't have this palette, it's like a dark burgundy, that's the best I can explain it, dark burgundy. And I'm blending the dark burgundy Calabasas shade out with like basically my skin tone. It just so happens to be in this palette, shade 1985. Which I'm sure is the year Jeffree was born, which was only 2 years before me, but he's still hella rich. It makes me sad because I'm like, what did I do wrong that I'm like not in my 30s and balling out of control? But anyways, so I'm gonna go back and forth between 1985 and Calabasas a lot. And some of it I even cut out, but you guys know the deal already. That is what you have to do to get a nice, cute, seamless blend. And I would also like to mention that like these the NYX Vivid Brights, they're like really good for like all over color. They're good for helping you cut the crease, like instead of just concealer. If you have one that's in the specific shade or color that you want to do, it works really well for that. So I think they're like $8 around there. So I think they're kind of worth the investment. I only have 3. I have the red one. I have this goldish one that you guys are going to see me use. It's more a champagne-y gold. Whatever. You get what I mean. You'll see here in a second. And then I have like a bright green one. But anyways, how's everybody been doing? I hope everybody's 2020 is going swimmingly so far. I mean, it's the 7th right now. So, I mean, we're not that far in, but a week is enough to fuck up somebody's, their whole demeanor on the year, I guess. I guess that's what I'm getting at. See, this is the champagne-y, goldy color. It's called Glam Rock. And this is basically the shade that I'm using to like cut the crease versus concealer because, well, quite frankly, I wanted something with a little bit more pigment to it. So I definitely think these are really, really good for that. So I just would like to state that I really love making YouTube videos, and I really, really appreciate that. Like, I have my comments on, like, it doesn't filter, like if you comment, I will see it, but like, I love that like my channel is not a negative place. I love that like people aren't being cattier and like, well, you could have did this. Like, I'm sure it's coming, but I really appreciate that it's not there right now. You know what I'm saying? You gotta appreciate the little things. That's what I'm gonna try and like keep in my mindset in this new year. You got to appreciate the little victories, the little things in life. You know, you really do. This blending really is taking me a long time. Okay, guys, it did take me a cool minute to like, I had a vision, like, because I always have visions of my makeup looks in my head, and it's normally inspired by something around me. But this one, it was kind of hard because I didn't really have a huge inspiration for it. I was just like angular and red, but it came out to this, so I'm super happy with the way this look came out. And definitely without the black, I think this is still a super beautiful look. Like, even if you don't add like the other stuff that I just added, like I just added a shadow wing, which, ooh, shadow wings used to be my shit, you guys. You don't even know. But you don't have to add the shadow wing. You could add a regular wing. You could leave it like with just like tight lining your lash line, which is where you just put like eyeliner underneath your eyelashes and it just makes it look more full. But I like, you know, the angulation that the wing gave. So I did a shadow wing, but do you, whatever you want, make this yours. And I'm going to actually, speaking of tight lining, because I like for my looks to be pretty seamless, I'm going to tight line the outer third of my lower lash line and all the way on the top, all over it. And like I said, it just makes your eyelashes look more thick and more full, which is kind of like what liner does also. And if you're into wearing false lashes, that totally helps with hiding the band. And this is the shade Designer Label. Well, not on this specific brush right now, but the inner corner shade is Designer Label, and it's just a little bit brighter than the shade Rolls With It, which is the gold shade that I put all over the top. And I felt like I just wanted something a little bit brighter on my inner corner. I can't stop using these Miss Metals like glitter liquid eyeshadows. I can't stop using them. So I put this on like a little super thin like brush. I use this the liquid eyeshadow and just made a line where I cut the crease and where the shadow is on top of it, just to cover it up a little bit. But definitely, if you like the look without that, like, do what you want to do. If you're not a super glitter, like, bam, I need some attention on my eyes kind of girl like I am, you know what I'm saying? Like, then don't do that. Like, if you just, maybe your hand is tired, shit, because after all that damn blending, your hand's bound to be tired. But before I curled my lashes, I went ahead and gave you guys a good up close look at the look. Okay, so I went ahead off camera, finished the rest of my face, and applied a lip liner and a lipstick. I used the NYX lip liner in the shade Prune, which is like a purpley color. And then I used the NYX Slip Tease in the shade Bang Bang. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on this look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos, not just with yourself, but with all of your friends, so that everybody can see super cute looks just like this. And I upload every Thursdays, and on Mondays I do a Makeup Monday live on my Facebook. It will be linked down below, and also in the description box will be all of the products I used today on my face, just in case you're curious. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.